Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. At the beginning, I would thankful to everyone and thankful to my honorable teacher to give me this wonderful opportunity for improving myself or prove my English spoken. Today, I'm going to talk about a dream job. What is dream job? Dream job is a job that people really want. Every single person has a different kind of dream jobs. Like someone want to be a doctor, someone want to be teacher, someone want to be engineers, and someone want to be artists, someone want to be actors, and someone want to be etc etc etc. A dream job is not only about money; it is about doing something what you love. People happy when they get their dream jobs, and people happy when they get their dream job or when they working in their dream jobs. Like someone want to be a doctor, they want to help sick people or save lives, and someone want to be a teacher, they teach the children and help to learning new things, and someone want to be an artist, they want to improve themselves and they want to do art or solve new things. And a dream job is different for everyone. Like someone want to work at home, someone want to travel, and someone want to work with their animals, and it is helpful. Or a dream job is always special. All dream jobs are special for everyone because it makes people happy and satisfied. Getting a dream job is not always easy. If you want to get your dream job, you should practice more and more, and you should learn more and more things. But if you if you want to prepare yourself for your dream job, you can be happy every day. It makes you feel you proud and happy. Everyone should try to find their dream job and make it real. And I can't sacrifice myself. I can't sacrifice my dream or dream job in any way. How much money or fame is offered to me, how much money or fame is offered to me, I will never change my dream, and I will never change my direction, never ever. Thanks to everyone for giving me your valuable time and listening to me so patiently.